I want to reveal how I managed to save a significant amount of money during Christmas time. If you think saving money during the holidays is impossible, think again. I'm here to share 14 tips that help me cut costs without cutting back on the holiday cheer. And see, a early shopper catches the best deals. I kicked off my Christmas shopping several months in advance. This strategy allowed me to spread out my expenses and snatch up deals long before the holiday rush. Shopping off-season led to significant savings, especially on items that are typically overpriced during the festive season. Unleashing my inner crafter for decor, I decided to channel my inner artist and create my own decorations. With some basic craft supplies and a sprinkle of creativity, I fashioned unique and beautiful decorations. From paper snowflakes to hand-made wreaths, each piece added a personal touch to my home while keeping my wallet happy. The power of a curated gift list. I took a mindful approach to gift giving by narrowing down my list to those closest to me. This thoughtful reduction not only saved money, but also allowed me to spend more time and effort on each gift, making them more meaningful. But heartfelt handmade gifts. I embraced the art of DIY for several gifts. Baking cookies, knitting scarves, and crafting personalized photo albums proved to be much more economical than purchasing similar items from stores. Plus, they were received with much more appreciation and love. Savvy online shopping tactics. For the gifts I did purchase, I turned to online shopping to compare prices and hunt for the best deals. Utilizing cashback sites, scouring for discount codes, and waiting for flash sales made a significant difference in my spending. Tip 6. The community spirit of potluck dinners. I hosted a potluck Christmas dinner where guests contributed a dish. This collaborative effort not only created a diverse and delicious feast, but also significantly cut down the cost and preparation time for everyone involved. Budgeting like a pro. Setting a strict budget and meticulously tracking every holiday-related expense was a game changer. This disciplined approach kept me accountable and prevented the all-too-common financial hangover post-holidays. A new life for last year's decor. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. I dug out last year's decorations and gave them a makeover. A little rearranging, some added touches, and voila. My home looked festive and new, all without spending extra on new decorations. Embracing the digital age with the cards. I opted for digital Christmas cards over traditional paper ones. Not only are e-cards free, but they also offer a modern, eco-friendly way to send heartfelt holiday wishes to friends and family around the globe. Tip 10. Reveling in free community events. I took full advantage of the free holiday events in my area. From festive light displays to community Christmas markets, these events provided ample entertainment and holiday spirit, without the price tag of commercial attractions. But dieting up economically with LEDs. I invested in LED Christmas lights. While the initial cost is higher than traditional lights, LEDs are much more energy efficient, saving me money on my electricity bill and lasting many seasons. Smart and economical holiday travel. I planned any necessary travel well in advance, avoiding the peak holiday rush. Booking flights and accommodations early led to better rates, and traveling on less popular days further reduced costs. Unique gifts from second-hand stores. I explored thrift stores and online marketplaces for one-of-a-kind second-hand gifts. These items often come with character and history, making them special and budget-friendly. Embracing the true essence of Christmas. Lastly, I shifted my focus to what truly matters during Christmas. Spending quality time with loved ones. This change in mindset steered me away from commercialism and towards creating lasting memories which, in the end, are priceless. These 14 tips not only helped my wallet, but also brought me closer to the true meaning of the holiday season. I hope these strategies inspire you to approach your next Christmas with a budget-conscious yet joyful spirit. I'd love to hear any money-saving tips you have, so please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on smart living and saving strategies. Here's to a financially savvy and joy-filled festive season ahead for all of us.